You know what they say about West Texas weather? It can change in the blink of an eye. Except at Dairy Queen, where there's only one forecast. Blizzard! The original Blizzard flavored treat swirling with your favorite candy, fruit, or nuts. It's upside downright thick and delicious. Whatever the weather, at Dairy Queen you'll always find a Blizzard.
This is DQ Country.
Hey everybody, it's your boy Robbie P2 here. Robbie P2 family, please let's check in down below. Oh yeah, and welcome to another awesome episode of Hashtag Snack Wednesday. And you know what? We're back at DQ. And you know what we gotta do? We gotta do this. Yep, that's right. You see here. Ha ha ha. Although I think DQ employees can do it better than me, but you just saw it, folks. You know, we're back at DQ again for, if you got the app offer, 85-cent small Blizzard. Gotta run to get it. And this is also for those who have just a regular Dairy Queen, not a DQ Grill and Chill, and a participating location. So now, as you can see here, this time got the Blizzard, small size, and I think this is a Choco dipped strawberry Blizzard. And what you see here, let's see if I can try and do this a little better here. So, as you can see, look at this. Look at this mixture. See a little chocolate shavings. Got some strawberry pieces in there. Inside DQ's famous soft serve. Oh man, that already looks delicious. So let's take a taste of it. Oh. This tastes just like chocolate dipped strawberries and cream. Oh yeah, I definitely approve of this. With Dairy Queen soft serve. Which you can see, well, not exactly ice cream, but it's pretty damn good. So, the only downside is regular price $5.39, but for the flavor, all that for the taste, strawberries, chocolate, DQ soft serve tint, and blended together, I still give this a perfect 10. And but I'm also gonna tell you, you guys gotta head to, if you haven't done so already, you guys gotta download the DQ mobile app and sign up for DQ rewards, because hey, you get points. You use toward free DQ treats, heck, maybe a free Blizzard later down the line. And so on and so forth. But you guys gotta act soon, because right now, 85-cent deal ends on April 23rd. So y'all gotta run to DQ. Tell them Robbie P2 sent you. But now, careful here. Yep, again, gotta have that app. That's where you can find this offer, because that makes the difference whether you pay $5.39, 85 cents, or $5.39. And that's about it. Now, also for your DQ fans who want to see something other than just ice cream, now come back to my channel on hashtag Fast Food Friday, where I show you some non-ice cream DQ entrees. Who knows? Might see a burger, or might see the chicken strip basket, which is good, by the way. So, all right, which is why we call it DQ Grill and Chill here. All right. So if you're everybody, please let me know what you think down below. If you like Dairy Queen, or if you want Dairy Queen to come to your area, and so forth. If you're new to my channel, please hit the big subscribe button down below, and then ring the notification bell, and choose all notifications so you don't miss out on anything. And then after you do all that, feel free to join in with all other longtime Robbie P2 family members by smashing the thumbs up, so this way we can defeat the YouTube algorithms and keep the channel growing here. We want to reach 10,000 subscribers soon. So you can also share this, share all the content out here by hitting the share button down below. Share it on your YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Google+, Reddit, MySpace, Pinterest, TikTok, whatever. All your social media. All right, here. Let them know, let them know you'll love Robbie P2. And then, hey, if you guys have any requests for future content on this channel, like if you want to see me review something or do a food collaboration, feel free to hit me up, either email, Instagram, or Twitter. All that info is going to be in the description down below. Just click to expand it. Plus, also links to my fan shop, so you can get yourself some official Robbie P2 merch. Be a troll slayer like me. And then also feel free to request a shout out from me on Cameo as well to help the channel grow many other ways here. All right. Thank y'all for watching. And as always, stay happy, stay safe, stay positive. Your boy, Robbie P2 out.